Hello Khaleej Times viewers, this is Suniti with Shihab and we are at Enoch Station in Expo 2020 district out here. Now this is the first petrol station or first gas station in the world that has got LEED certification. LEED certification is important because it aligns with the wider vision of UAE in terms of sustainability and how we're using our energy. And so here, first of all, we're starting off with the electric car charging stations. We have 3 here, the one that you're seeing right now, and for now they're free. Now here is the main pavilion, or rather the main station where you can just drive in and you can fill your cars. Now there were some interesting features to show you out here, that's why we've got you here. This is the interactive screen that we were talking about, which shows you the rate, diesel and the petrol rate. And the moment you come and you park here, you pick up this and it automatically tells you what are the prices. Now before you get down from your car, it's good to discharge yourself, and that's why you place your hands here. By touching it, you get discharged. Basically, the pad removes all your static charge that's there, so to make it more safe for us consumers. Now this particular gas station, it has, as you can see up here, it's got a canopy which is made of carbon fiber. Now carbon fiber is something that you must have heard is used in cars to make it lighter, and on top of that are solar panels that are being used. Now solar panels are extensively used on the station and they're providing a majority of the electricity that is being consumed here. And even the lighting, the canopy, the fiber that has been used makes it cooler. So right now, according to the CEO, the group CEO of Enoch, he's mentioned that the temperature comes down 10 degrees in the daytime. So now that we're standing here, I can really feel nice and cool rather than standing out there in the sun when the sun's really strong today. Here we have the retail zone that is usually accompanied at any of the petrol stations in Dubai with Enoch, and even there are different features that have been introduced. For example, the digital door that we can see, even all the information that they want, or the advertisements probably later if they want to use it. It can be all done here. Now just above that, the digital screen that we have a few cameras where Enoch is trying to introduce customization through the use of AI. So basically all the data is being captured when the cars come here, what all the customers are buying, how they are buying, and what is the usual preference. It all will be recorded to serve us better. We also have a wind turbine here, which is the first in the region. So this is the station of the future. Whenever you happen to visit Expo 2020, drive through and you'll see it for yourself.